y'all, it's Amber Emily, and thank you so much for coming back to my channel if you've been here before, and if not, welcome for the first time. Today I'm going to do a wig tutorial on this lovely unit that is on my head. It is the Crimps for me. Y'all, look at that. Look at the crimp. Y'all, look at those crimps. Also, I love this because I've always loved the crimp look. I just hate sitting there for hours crimping hair, like, and especially if you want a longer unit. It takes forever to 10 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 8, like 10 seconds, then you go to the next one, and then you still got the rest of the hair. And y'all, I am so happy that I have found this crimp unit, that I don't have to crimp any hair, and I can throw my crimper away because I hate crimping hair, but I love the look. This is a synthetic unit from Outre Melted Hairline, and her name is Lilyana in the color 1B. Okay, their stock card is pretty elaborate and cute, and these are all the colors she comes in, and I'll put the link in the description box so you can find out where you got yours from. I got mine from Sam's Beauty for $38. It does have a yaki texture. I am getting a little bit of tangling at the ends, but I just can't keep my hands out of it, y'all. Like, look at it. It is so gorgeous. Okay, this wig is semi-beginner friendly because of the melted hairline piece. It does take a little bit more of work to get the desired look. Most people use Got to Be Glued to lay this down. I did not. I used my wig grip that I got from Amazon, and I just used my edge control and the clips. It does have 2 combs in the front, on the sides, and then 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps, and then it also has this lovely band feature that I love, so you can get your lace to lay like you would like. Other than that, I put a little bit of heat to it to lay this part down. The lace was a lot lighter than I would have liked. However, I did just put a little concealer on it and kept it pushing. Y'all, I'm about to get into the tutorial to show you how I achieve this look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.